shifting operator. To solve such a type of an example, we use the logic that if the f of x is if there are n values are given, then its nth difference, n forward difference is 0 and its n plus 1 difference is what? 0, n minus 1. And we know that if the 5 values is given or 6 values is given, then f of x is a polynomial of degree less than 1. That is, if 6 values is given, then the f of x is a polynomial of degree 5. Okay, and then it's del 5 del raised to 6 f of x is equal to what? 0. Now today we are going to see a Newton-Gregory or Newton forward interpolation formula. Forward interpolation formula, and then Newton backward interpolation formula. What is the Newton forward interpolation formula? F of x is equal to f of a plus u delta f of a plus u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square f of a plus u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial delta cube f of a and so on, where u is equal to x minus a divided by h. And when we are going to use this formula a, want to interpolate the value of f of x near the starting of the set of values given. Okay, म्हणजे आपल्याला दिलेल्या टेबल मध्ये आपल्याला जी काही इंटरपोलेटिंग व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची, इंटरपोलेशनची मी डेफिनेशन ऑलरेडी तुम्हाला सांगितली आहे. जी इंटरपोलेटिंग व्हॅल्यू तुम्हाला फाइंड करायची ती जर टेबलच्या सुरुवातीच्या व्हॅल्यूच्या जवळ असेल, देन यू वांट टू अप्लाय फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला. आणि जर ती व्हॅल्यू टेबलच्या खालच्या व्हॅल्यूच्या जवळ जर असेल, तर देन यू वांट टू अप्लाय अ बॅकवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला. फॉर एन एक्झाम्पल, suppose from the given table find the value of x. Suppose this is the table is given, x 1 1 2 then 2 4 then 3 8 and 4, suppose 16. Okay, 4 values are given. Okay, and we want to determine values of x when values of y. We want to determine values of y when x is equal to 1.5. We want to determine what is the value of y when x is equal to 1.5. If you observe, this x is equal to 1.5 is very close to a first value, and that's why we want to apply the forward interpolation formula. Okay, for that, what is our first step? U is equal to x minus a divided by h. Now what is x here? X is 1.5. What is a? This is the value of a. Okay, a is what? 1. Then what is h? H is the difference of x value. That is, what is the two successive values? 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 1, 4 minus 3 is 1. And do remember one thing, you can apply forward interpolation formula, backward interpolation formula only if your values of x are equally spaced. बघा, आपण आता 4 फॉर्म्युले बघणार आहोत: फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला, बॅकवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला, लॅग्रेंज इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला and जनरल इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला. त्यापैकी पहिले जे काही दोन फॉर्म्युले आहेत, फॉरवर्ड आणि बॅकवर्ड, they are only applicable if your values of x are equally spaced. If they are unequally spaced, then you can apply Lagrange's interpolation formula and general interpolation formula. Now if you observe, they are equally spaced. Okay, values of x are equally spaced, so we can proceed by using forward interpolation formula. What is h here? H is equal to 1, difference between any two successive values of x. So here it is equal to 0.5. So u is equal to 0.5. What is our next step? Once you determine your u, next we want to determine our difference table, forward difference table. Okay, so this is x, this is y, or f of a, x is 1 2 3 4. So, or you can say it is f of x also, y is equal to f of x. So, what is f of x here? 2, 4, 8, 16. So, delta f of x. Delta f of x is what? 4 minus 2 is 2, 8 minus 4, 4, 16 minus 8, 8. Delta square f of x. Second forward difference, 4 minus 2, 2, 8 minus 4 is 4, and delta cube f of x is equal to what? 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So, आपल्याला जे काही इंटरपोलेटिंग व्हॅल्यू यूज करायचे हा आपला a आहे. This is what delta f of a. This is what delta f of a. This is what delta square f of a, and this is equal to delta cube f of a. या सगळ्या व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला न्यूटन फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला मध्ये यूज करायचा आहे. चलो ओके. सो what is Newton forward interpolation formula? F of x is equal to f of a plus u delta f of a plus u minus 1 divided by 2 factorial delta square f of a plus u minus 1 u minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube f of a, delta cube f of a. Okay, so f of x is equal to f of x is equal to f of a. What is f of a? 2 plus what is the value of u? We know that u is 0.5. Okay, so 0.5 into delta f of a. Delta f of a, it is again 2 plus 0.5 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial is 2 into delta square f of a is again 2 plus 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial is 6 into delta cube f of a is again 2. So if you simplify this, you will get f of x is equal to 2, then 2 into 5 is what? 1, then 0.5 minus 1, so minus 0.5 into 0.5, it is 0.25. So you can use your calculator also. Then divided by 2, this 2 will get cancelled here. So it is because of this minus sign, it is minus 0.25. Then if you divide this 2 to 6, you will get 3. So 0.5 into 0.5 minus 1 into 0.5 minus 2 is equal to 0.375 plus 0.375 divided by 3. There are 2 times minus sign. There is also one minus sign and minus sign. So minus minus become plus. So if you simplify this, 2 plus 1 3 minus 0.25 plus 0.375 divided by 3 is equal to 0.125. So if you add this, then you will get 2.875. So this is what value of f of 1.5. So if you observe 1.5 is lie between 1 and 2, and our f of x is also lie between 1.5 and that is in 2 and 4. This way you can also check whether your answer is correct or not. Suppose it is above the 4, then your answer will be wrong. If it is below the 2, then answer will be wrong. Why? Because our x and y that is 1.5 lie between these two values, and these are the increasing sequence. If you observe 1x increase, then y also increase. 1 2 2 4 3 8 4 16. So as x increases, your y is also increases. So if your x is 1.5 means what? Your answer should be lie between these two number, and if you observe answer is what? 2.875. So this is what an answer by using Newton forward interpolation formula. Now next want to see a Newton backward interpolation formula. Newton backward interpolation formula. Now we want to see the Newton backward interpolation formula. It is equal to, what is Newton backward interpolation formula, or it is also called Newton-Railway backward interpolation formula. Backward interpolation formula. Okay, so already I have told you that if you want to determine or you want to interpolating value x very close, very near to your bottom of the table, जर तुमच्या शेवटच्या व्हॅल्यूच्या जवळ जर तुम्हाला इंटरपोलेटिंग व्हॅल्यू फाइंड करायची असेल तर इन दॅट केस यू हॅव टू अप्लाय बॅकवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला. जर पहिल्या व्हॅल्यूच्या जवळ असेल तर फॉरवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला. सो व्हॉट इज बॅकवर्ड इंटरपोलेशन फॉर्म्युला? f of x is equal to f of x is equal to f of a plus nh f of a plus nh plus del f of plus u into del f of a plus nh plus u into u plus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square f of a plus nh plus u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube f of a plus nh. So if you observe the difference between the forward interpolation formula and backward interpolation formula, here u minus 1 in forward, but here u plus 1 u plus 1 u plus 2, so plus in backward interpolation formula. Again, where u is equal to x minus u a plus nh divided by h. Okay, what is this above a plus nh? A plus nh म्हणजे काय? समजा तुम्हाला जर दिले x is equal to 1 2 3 4. Okay, so here h is 1 and n is equal to what? 4. So above a plus nh is what? A plus nh or a plus nh is what? Above 4. Okay, a plus nh is what? Above 4, or sorry, n is equal to 3. Then above a plus nh, that is 1 plus 3h. H is what? Difference. So 1 plus 3h is what? F of 4. So this is what? F of a plus nh means what? Last value of the table. So for example, consider previous example. If you consider your previous example, from the following table, x, y, 1, 2, 3, 4, this 2, 4, 8 and 16. Okay, find the value of y when x is equal to 3.5. Find the value of y when x is equal to 3.5. Now if you observe, this 3.5 is near to last value of table. So we want to apply a backward interpolation formula, not forward interpolation formula. So hope you understand the difference between the backward and forward interpolation formula. So here u is equal to, so x minus a plus nh divided by x. Again, this for backward interpolation formula you can apply only if your values of x are equally spaced. If you observe, they are all equally spaced. And one more thing, since x increases and y increases, so our answer should be lie between 8 and 16. जे आपल्याला आन्सर मिळणार आहे ते 8 आणि 16 मध्ये असायला हवं. So आपण बघूया इथे x minus a plus nh म्हणजे लास्ट व्हॅल्यू. This is what our a plus nh. So x minus x is what? 3.5 minus 4 divided by 1, so it is minus 0.5. So u is equal to minus 0.5. Now want to determine backward interpolation, backward difference table. So this is x, f of x, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 8, 16. So what is del f of x? Del f of x. 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. It is 4. 16 minus 8, 8. Then del square f of x is equal to 4 minus 2, 2. 8 minus 4 is 2. And del cube f of x is equal to 4 minus 2 is what? 2. So this is what? F of a plus nh. A plus nh. F of a plus nh. This is what? Del f of a plus nh. This is what? Del square f of a plus nh. And this is equal to del cube f of a plus nh. So you know all the values. Just put this value in your table formula. You will get the approximate interpolating value of x is equal to 3.5. So what is the forward interpolating formula? F of x is equal to f of a plus nh plus u del f of a plus nh plus u plus 1 divided by 2 factorial del square f of a plus nh plus u plus 1 u plus 2 divided by 3 factorial del cube f of a plus nh. So if you solve this, you will get f of x is equal to f of a plus nh. F of a plus nh. So what is f of a plus nh? 16 plus h is u is what? Minus 0.5 into del f of a plus nh, 8 into 8 plus u minus 0.5 plus 1 divided by 2 factorial is what? 2 into del square f of a plus nh. It is what? 4. Then minus 0.5 plus 1 minus 0.5 plus 2 is divided by 3 factorial is what? 6 into del cube f of a plus nh. So it is equal to what? 2. It is equal to what? 2. So to simplify this, you will get, you can use your calculus to simplify this. So f of x is equal to 16 minus 4. If you multiply this, you will get minus 4. So here minus 0.5 plus 0.5. So it is equal to 1 by 2. Again multiply by this 4. So this is 2. Okay. So this is what? Minus and this is plus. So minus plus become minus. Then 0.5 and 0.5, 0.5 multiply by 2. So it is 0.5. Okay. So now next, this is minus, this is plus, and this is minus. So it is minus 2 divided by 2. If you divide 6 by 2, you will get 3. 0.25 into 0.5 plus 2. So it is equal to 0.375. This whole divided by 3. So hope you understand. It is is here it is minus one time minus, so minus, and here one time minus only. So if you simplify this, you will get 16 minus is 12 minus 0.5 minus 0.125. So this is what? 11.5. That is 12 minus 0.5 is 11.5 minus 0.125. You will get 11.375. And if you observe, this is what above 3.5. If you observe, this answer lies between 8 and 16. So our answer is correct. So this is what you can interpolate any values of x by using forward interpolation formula and backward interpolation formula. So hope you understand today the difference between forward interpolation formula, backward interpolation formula, when we are going to use forward interpolation formula, when we are going to use backward interpolation formula. Formula is very simple. Just do remember formula. There will be compulsory one example in your exam. So today I want to stop here. Only two methods left in this chapter, that is Lagrange's interpolation formula and general interpolation formula.